Welcome to Math, where problems are no problem. You're looking at a list of numbers on the ASVAB, and it wants you to figure out what comes next. Here's a picture to hold on to. Imagine a jar where you drop in the same amount of money every single week. $5, then $5, then $5 again. If you know how much went in last week, you already know what's coming next week. That is exactly what a number sequence is testing. Find the hidden rule connecting the numbers, then use it one more time. Let's get the vocabulary straight first. A sequence is just a list of numbers written in order, where the same rule applies from one number to the next, all the way down the list. Each individual number in that list is called a term. So in our jar, week 1's $5 is one term, week 2's $10 is the next term, and so on. Let's go back to the jar. Week 1, $5 is in there. Week 2, $10. Week 3, 15. Week 4, 20. The question the ASVAB would ask is, what's in the jar in week 5? To answer that, we look at what's happening between each pair of neighboring terms. Go from 5 to 10. That's a jump of 5. 10 to 15, also a jump of 5. 15 to 20, 5 again. That fixed jump, the same amount added every single time, is called the common difference. The common difference here is 5. Since the rule is add 5, we just do it one more time. 20 plus 5 gives us 25. That's the whole idea. Spot the constant add, then add it again. Now here's the twist the ASVAB loves to throw in. And it's the one thing that trips people up. Not every jar works by simple addition. Picture a different jar, a bonus jar, where instead of a flat amount each week, the amount doubles. Week 1, $3. Week 2, 6. Week 3, 12. Week 4, 24. Watch what happens if you try the same addition trick. 6 minus 3 is 3. 12 minus 6 is 6. 24 minus 12 is 12. Those jumps are not the same size, so addition is not the rule here. That's the tell. So instead of subtracting, we divide each term by the one before it. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 12 divided by 6 is 2. 24 divided by 12 is 2. Every single time, the answer is 2. When the fixed number is something you multiply by instead of add, it's called the common ratio. The common ratio here is 2. So to find week 5, we take the last term and multiply by that ratio one more time. 24 times 2 is 48. This is really the whole trick to these problems. The rule connecting each term to the next is either a constant amount you add or a constant amount you multiply by. Check the subtraction first, since it's simpler. If the differences are all equal, you're done. If they're not, try dividing consecutive terms instead. One of those two will usually be constant, and that's your rule. A lot of test takers get stuck because they assume every sequence is addition, try to force a difference that isn't really there, and burn time. The moment your differences stop matching is your cue to switch to checking the ratio instead. Let's double-check both jars actually follow their own rules from start to finish. First jar, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. The gap between every neighboring pair is 5, no exceptions. Second jar, 3, 6, 12, 24, 48. Divide any term by the one before it, and you get 2 every time. Both rules hold across the entire list, which is how you know you found the real pattern and not a coincidence. So here's the one thing to remember. A number sequence is just numbers hiding a constant move between neighbors. Subtract to check for a constant add, divide to check for a constant multiply, and once you find that move, the next term is just one more step of the same thing. If this helped, the next video covers ASVAB Arithmetic reasoning word problems with rates and ratios. And if this channel's helping you get it, subscribing helps more people find it too.